So I have a couple of these polar heart rate monitor watch things. That's an FT01, but the one I tend to use the most is an FT07, and I quite like this one. The only issue is I've managed to wear through the strap. It's obviously gone through age, wear and tear. So I looked at buying some new ones from Polar, and they were quite expensive. So I had a look on AliExpress and eBay, and ended up buying these ones off eBay. They're pretty common. I'll not bother putting the seller up on as information. It's hardly worthwhile. But what's nice about these is they come with a little securing pin. So just there's the securing pin that goes in. So it means you have to get the securing pin out of this one, and you can do that just by pushing it out with the appropriate tool. I've got one of these cheap screwdriver sets. In the UK they're about £1 from the Poundland shops, so that makes sense. And all you do is choose an appropriate bit and push the pin out. So let's see if we can do that then. There we go. Now, be honest, I have had this pin out before, which is why it's come out so easily. Pull the pin out and the end of the watch comes away. And as you can see, that's pretty scabby, so I'm going to go and give that a clean up, and then I'll pop the other side off as well. Now this one will come out so easily. Well, there we go. Might be worthwhile getting a pair of pliers to pull that pin out. It's not coming out on finger pressure. So I'll pop that out, clean the watch up, and then we'll come back and try fitting the new straps, see how we get on. Okay, so that didn't take long, as you can probably tell from the time on the watch. Much cleaner, quick scrub with a nail brush, and much nicer. They obviously are a trap for guns. Not that I like advertising how glossy these things are, but you can see the built sponge in there, which obviously comes when you're sweating at the gym. Yeah, I have got a Fitbit as well. Don't rate them really, but it's okay for wearing around the house, and those is no belt. But let's put a strap on this one, see how we get on. Let's put it down. Right, in comparison to the original ones, let's do a bit of a test and compare. Considerably thinner, and they weren't very expensive. These about, I don't know, £2 each. Yeah, they don't look too bad. Let's see if we can get them fitted then. Okay, I've just noticed there's a knurled edge, or a narrow edge, so obviously it goes in that way. Shall we get them the right way round? Buckle at the top of the watch. So let's pop that in there. I'm trying to think which way it came out of the strap. I think that was the knurled edge side. Give a gentle push. Grab a small pair of pliers. Doesn't line up particularly well. No, not been a bargain these then. There we go, as you see. Bit wriggling to get it through the other side. That went in easy enough. Good nudge. That seems to be through. Same sort of process. Let's think, which way did it come out? That way. So put the knurled end in from here. Sorry if you can't see very well. A bit fiddly. Well, that was a bit of a faff, but we got there in the end. The hole wasn't blocked, you just had to go into a bit of an angle. So I cleared the hole at the other end, managed to push it through, and now it's on, it's secure. Doesn't look too bad, as I say, thinner than the original item, not as decorative, but it's on, seems fairly firm. Just something to be aware of, these pins are a really cheap and nasty inferior metal. I'd probably go back to using the original pins. Just a quick one on these, I've just tried it on, and I'm a fairly big chap, got probably about 7.5 inch wrist, and these just barely made it round. It's enough, it'll hold it on, but it's a little firmer than I would possibly like, and there's not an awful lot of play left on that strap. But there we go. Cheers, bye.